Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Okay, here's China. That's the weekly. Wow, I was really laughing. I was reading how the Chinese authorities are trying to understand what's going on, why the market fell so much. They are beginning to target the short sellers. My goodness. Markets fall because of their own weight. Sometimes they just fall of their own weight because there are so many people who bought irrationally, moved in. It's just that's the way it works. It's not because somebody is selling short. You know, this thing keeps coming up. Every single time that you have a big crash, those officials, these bureaucrats don't understand right and left how the markets work. Yeah, let's get those guys who are selling short. They are responsible. Because if they are out of the scene, the market will go up forever. Nonsense. Okay, this is the weekly. We are in the big C. In the big C, do I need to introduce it? Just look what happened. There are many people in China, they can't sleep at night. They thought that their government is behind, is going to support them. Now they are crying. I hope it ends just by crying and not more than that. Money comes and goes. You better take care of your health. That's the most important. This is the daily. And that's a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the top. That's the fifth. And that's the breakdown. And let's now zoom in. And that's what I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 could have ended here. If it ended here, China is ready for the continuation of this bloodbath. Monday comes, it's right down there. Sorry, it's right down there through my black line. Okay, it goes through the black line. Don't look up anymore. Don't look up. Spare yourself. Spare yourself that. Don't look up. Just look down. The market is going to continue to crash. It's going to be a replay of 2008. Nobody's going to be able to get out even here. Those who bought in the euphoria, they are all already underwater. All these guys. Can you imagine? All these guys are already underwater. And as I explained to you many times, when they are dealing with a mountain of margin money, hot money, margin money, the market is not going to. It's going to be exponential. It is going to be exponential. That's the way it is. And I will not be surprised at all to see it plunging by 10% maybe next week. Yes, let's see the 60 minutes. And this is the way it's set up here. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an ABC. That's 1, 2. That's potentially another 1, 2. And look down. If the market is strong, being supported by all those dry bureaucrats, who knows? Maybe we're going to get an ABC here. And that will be you ABC X, ABC. And then it should crash. As you gather, I am very bearish on the Chinese market. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down, you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here there is a description of the services, okay, and in fact, this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to, okay? So if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery Daily Service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the Weekend Service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.